Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't think we've seen this year, right? Happy New Year guys, Happy New Year. So today I'm making this chicken breast with heavy cream and cheese bake. Yes, we're baking it in the oven today. So we'll be slicing the chicken in like tiny pieces, right? I'll slice it as really small as I possibly can. See? So you see how small that is, very thin. That's what we're going for. You can also use the whole chicken, but I prefer it this way, so that whenever you have a bite, you go with a chicken, a piece of chick. So I went ahead and washed it. Now I'm just paper drying it, and now I'm adding my salt and then vegetable broth, a little bit more. Now my bell pepper powder and some dry pepper, black pepper, sorry guys. Yes, black pepper. We're not using like too much spice in this one. It won't taste that good. So now onion, garlic, ginger blended. We're adding it into the mix. And now olive oil. Yes. So after mixing, I went ahead and tried to see if I need more seasoning. I did. So I just added a bit of salt, mix it again, try it again to see if it's enough. And yeah, it was enough in this case. So now that is that, I'm just go ahead and add my rosemary. Mix it up. After mixing it up, you want to cover your bowl and let it marinate. All right, for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. But mine, I left it for 2 hours because I went to bed. So now transfer that chicken, that goodness, into your frying pan. Yes, and let it fry on a medium heat, guys. Medium heat. You see, you don't need olive because of the olive oil that we used earlier on. That's that. So now just go ahead and slice our bell pepper and the mini cucumber I used for this particular recipe. So now let's check on our chicken. You say chicken breast releases a lot of water. So I allowed it to fry a little bit more so that the water would dry up. Now I'm just removing the rosemary because it's no longer needed. Yep. So guys, my chicken has dried up. I'll just set it aside. Let's continue with the sauce. So now I'll just go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil into the same pan I used in frying the chicken. After that, I'll add my tomato paste. And now I'm adding my heavy cream. Heavy cream. Guys, so after adding heavy cream, you want to mix it up, like stir properly. So now I'm adding my dried parsley. If you have the fresh one, you can go ahead and use it. A little bit of salt and a little bit of vegetable broth. Mix up, and then nutmeg. So now I'll add my vegetable that I have already sliced into the chicken. I'm doing this because I don't want my vegetables to overcook. Yeah. So pour the sauce in there. So delicious, guys. Cannot even stress this enough. Very, very delicious. You really want to try this. This one. You'd love it. You'd love it. So guys, now I'm just adding a little bit of the water from the cucumber glass. So that's the brand I used. Boom, boom, a little bit because yeah, it's spicy. Now I'm adding my cheese. So guys, after 10 to 15 minutes of baking in 160 degrees preheated oven, this was so good, guys. I cannot even stress this enough. Try it, you would love it. So you can eat this with rice and potato. Goes well. So thanks for sharing your time with me. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, even leave a comment down below. Right? So remain blessed, stay safe, be good, and a happy new year one more time. I wish you all good health, more money in your pocket. Bye.